Hello students, welcome back to our channel General Learnings. In this video, you are going to learn the concept of how to divide a 3-digit number by an 1-digit number. Let us start now. Here they have given one problem. Solve 864 divided by 2. So here 864 is a 3-digit number and 2 is a 1-digit number. So we are going to divide this 3-digit number by an 1-digit number. So in order to solve this problem, first we need to write the division problem as like this. Here 864 is a dividend whereas 2 is a divisor. So for that first we need to divide first digit which is 8 by 2. Now to divide we need to check the multiplication table of 2 to see whether this 8 is coming or not. So the multiplication tells us 2 fours are 8. So we need to write this 4 in the quotient and we need to write the product of the multiplication which is 8 to below 8 and then draw a line, then subtract. So when we subtract 8 from 8, we get 0. Now we need to move to next digit which is 6. Now bring this digit 6 to down and then write next to 0. Now we need to divide this 6 by 2. So for that we need to check the multiplication table of 2. So the table tells us 2 3s are 6. So we need to write this 3 in the quotient and write the product 6 to below 6 and then draw a line, then subtract. We get the answer as 0. Now bring down the next digit which is 4 and then divide this 4 by 2. For that we need to check the table. So the table tells us 2 2s are 4. So write this 2 in the quotient and then product to below 4. Then draw a line and subtract. We get 0. So when we divide 864 by 2, we get 432. So quotient is 432 and the remainder is 0. Okay students, I hope you understand how to divide a 3-digit number by a 1-digit number. Now we will see another one example. Here they have given 784 divided by 4. So for that we need to write the division problem as like this. So here 784 is a dividend and then 4 is a divisor. So first we need to divide the 7 by 4. For that first we need to check the multiplication table of 4. So the table tells us 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Whereas 8 is greater than 7, we should not take that. So we should use 4 ones are 4. So write this 1 in the quotient and write the product. 4 ones are 4. This product should write below 7 and then draw a line, then subtract. Subtract 4 from 7. We get 3. Now bring next number to 8 and then write next to 3. Now we need to divide 38 by 4. For that we need to check the table of 4. So the table tells us 4 9s are 36 and 4 10s are 40. So again 40 is greater than 38. So we need to use 36 which is 4 9s are 36. So write this 9 in quotient and then write 36 below 38. Then draw a line, then subtract. So subtract 36 from 38. We get 2. Now bring down the next digit, which is 4. Now we need to divide 24 by 4. For that we need to check the table. So the table tells us 4 6 are 24. So write the 6 in the quotient and then write 24 below 24. Then draw a line, then subtract. So when we subtract, we get 0. So when we divide 784 divided by 4, we get the answer as 196. So the quotient is 196 and we get the remainder as 0. Now we will see another one example. Here they tell us to solve 636 divided by 6. Let us solve this problem. For that first we need to write the division as like this. Then divide the 6 by 6. For that we need to check the table of 6. So the table tells us 6 ones are 6. So write this one in the quotient and then write 6 here. Then draw a line and then subtract. We get 0. Now bring next number down, which is 3. But here 3 is smaller than the divisor 6. So for that we need to write the 0 in the quotient and then bring down the next digit, which is 6. Now divide 36 by 6. So we need to check the table. So the table tells us 6 6 or 36. So write this 6 in the quotient and then write 36 and then draw a line, then subtract. So we get the answer as 0. So when we divide 636 divided by 6, we get the answer as 106. So here quotient is 106 and we get the remainder as 0. Now we will see another one example. Here they have given the 502 divided by 5. Okay, for that first we need to write the division problem as like so. Then we need to divide 5 by 5. So we need to check the multiplication table of 5. So the table tells us 5 ones are 5. So write 1 in the quotient and write 5 below. Then draw a line, then subtract. When we subtract 5 from 5, we get 0. Now bring down that next digit, which is 0. Then here 0 is smaller than the divisor 5. So we cannot divide that. For that we are going to write 0 in the quotient and then going to bring down the next digit, which is 2. Again here 2 is smaller than the divisor. So again we are not able to divide. So for that we are going to write the 0 in the quotient and write 0 below 2. As 5 into 0 we get 0. So that we are writing 0 below 2 and then draw a line, then subtract. So when we subtract 2 minus 0, we get the answer as 2. So when we divide 502 divided by 5, we get the quotient as 100. So the quotient is 100 and we get the remainder as 0. Okay students, I hope you understand how to divide a 3-digit number by an 1-digit number. If you want to learn the concept of how to divide a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number, you can visit my other videos.
Thanks for watching. If you want more videos like this, please go and visit my YouTube channel at General Learnings 91. Thank you.